It's me Harsaki
And this is Bursar.
and today is Diwali, so
Happy Diwali!
So we are currently in the car and we are going to Alpha City to make Rangoli.
Yes.
We'll see you there. Bye!
Bye. We love Alpha City.
So I have made two Rangolis here in Alpha City. The first one is this one. And here is the second one. Do you all like it? Do tell me in the comments and tell me which one is your favorite. Now let's head back to home. So everyone, we are back at home and we are having chole bhature for lunch and we are watching Avengers Endgame with that. So we'll meet you when anything special happens. So guys, here is my main Rangoli. So here I have glitter and here is a diya. I have put glitter inside that one also. And here I have written Happy Diwali with some scented candles. These all have different flavor like scent. Some of them are guava and orange. So this was my main Rangoli. Near this one I made another one. I made this using a stencil. Here is all of the diya collection. These are which I painted myself, and these we bought from the market. Which one is your favorite from these diyas? And here we have some more scented candles. Don't do that. So I have made some of the rangolis outside also. So let's go there. Guys, look how beautiful these flowers are. So the first one is near the gate. And the other ones are here. These are a little messy right now because I have to fix them. And on these ones I will keep candles or diyas. These are just small ones. And right here is an ugly one. I mixed all the colors which were remaining and made this one. This one is in the green corner. We have also lights here. I will show you them in the night. Here also we have lights, and here we also have lights. Which rangoli do you like the best? Do make sure to tell in the comments. So guys, we have made a rangoli at Gravity Academy. If you want to see the Gravity Academy tour, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now it's time for puja. So guys, after puja we are here upstairs. So here in our wall we have some pink lights matching with the background. So Bursar is here with very less crackers. We are bursting just really less, like we have only like pop-up and like so, just very less crackers. We have only few of these, like 2 to 3. We are not bursting so much of them. So as you can see in our LA, everyone has so many lights. So now let's get downstairs.
Happy Diwali.
So guys, I have kept all of the diyas. So let me show you the lights. Here in the green corner of the house we have green lights. Here we have pink lights, and here we have laser lights. which light is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. So the Diwali vlog ends here.
Hope you like it.
If you did, do make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.